Learning a new hobby, trying something new, like painting or cooking, keywords and phrases, hobby, an activity done for enjoyment, skill, the ability to do something well, beginner, someone who is just starting to learn something, practice, repeating an activity to improve, added, patience, the ability to stay calm while learning something new, technique, a specific way of doing something, creativity, the ability to think of new and original ideas, experiment, trying new things to see what works best, mistake, something done incorrectly, but a chance to learn, inspiration, something that gives you new ideas or motivation, supplies, the materials needed for a hobby. Step by step, doing something in a specific order, one stage at a time, frustration, feeling upset when something is difficult, achievement, a feeling of success after learning or improving. Listen to the conversation between Sarah and Leo about learning a new hobby.
Hey Leo, guess what? I just started painting.
That's awesome. How's it going so far?
Well, I love it, but it's harder than I expected. As a beginner, I make a lot of mistakes.
That's totally normal. Every hobby takes time to learn. What's the hardest part for you?
I think it's the frustration. I want my paintings to look amazing right away, but they don't.
I get that. When I started cooking, I felt the same way. But with practice, you'll improve.
Yeah, I guess I need to be more patient. I also want to be more creative, but I don't always have inspiration.
You could look at other artists' work or try different colors for creativity. That might help.
That's a great idea. And I need to buy more supplies. I ran out of paint yesterday.
Yeah, having the right materials is important. Just don't let frustration stop you. Keep practicing, and soon you'll feel a sense of achievement when you see your progress.
Thanks, Leo. I'll keep going and see where my painting skills take me.